Welcome everybody back to Boost Motion, guys, and today we are going to go work on the C63, and it has an annoying problem with it. It's super annoying. It keeps squeaking. Yes, hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. So welcome everybody back to the channel. If you are part of the Boost Motion channel, that means you guys already hit the like button, guys, please and thank you. Now if you are new to this channel, please watch this video and other, I guess, C63 related videos, and if you like them, definitely hit the subscribe button with the bell notification, and don't forget the like button too, please and thank you. So anyway, guys, let's talk about it. If anyone doesn't know, I have a 2015 C63 C300 or C63, C450, C43, it doesn't matter. The issue I'm having is primarily for C classes, right? And they have this terrible squeaking noise. I don't know if I'm going to insert a noise here thing. All right, so we're going to try our best to replicate that noise that I'm talking about. So jack the car up. We're going to push right here. Maybe I'll look for one on the web, but it's annoying squeak, squeak, squeak noise from the suspension, no matter if I turn left or right or up and down. And in the last couple weeks, I've been trying to figure out diagnosing it. So what I did started off with simple, easy stuff like spray some of the bushings and ball joints, check for play, and did not find anything. The noise still is there, squeak, squeak, and it's super loud and it's super freaking annoying. So I continue to look through different forums and videos, and what I found out is, because this is my first, I guess, German-made car, whatever I always dealt with Infiniti, Nissan, Japanese cars, they have ball joints, and even though the ball joint doesn't have play, the way it's designed is, it's the ball joint, the grease, and like a rubber plastic material than grease. That allows that ball joint to spin and move around there, right? But just like any other ball joint, that grease dries up over time. And then guess what happens? Now that metal surface is rubbing against the rubber and plastic, and it makes a squeaking noise. So I found a couple people who did a temporary fix, and their temporary fix was you pretty much get a hypodermic needle, and you get some silicone-based lubricant, and you inject it into the ball joint, and that's supposed to temporarily fix it. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get to the car. All right, so I put some silicone blaster in a syringe, and now I'm gonna do what the video told me to do, and I'm gonna insert this into these areas right here. I'm gonna start with the lower one first, because that's the one they said it complains the most about, and then we're gonna move on from there. All right, I injected it as much as I can, probably like 2 injections, one on both sides, and let's see if we can try to get it on video. Ah, man, I gotta put the center. Nah, come on. Usually you would hear it when you turn too, so I don't hear it when I turn. That's the good part. So let me put the wheel on, let me see if it got better. All right, let's bring it down. Let's see if the noise might go away. You should hear it initially, but after that, the oil should be pretty much moving around the ball joint. All right, didn't hear anything. Okay. All right, let's see. Noise went away. Noise completely went away, guys. Completely. But I'm still getting squeaking on the left side. So you know what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do the same trick on the left side ball joint and see if that squeaking goes away, because it might be the early onset of it. So the squeaky noise on that side is finally going, so that's a good part. Alright, that's what we're gonna do next. I'm gonna jack up that side and do the same thing on that side. It should be a lot faster. Maybe that noise, that squeaking noise, is the early onset of the ball joint going out. It could actually be that. But squeak went away. Let's see here. Completely under the load. You should hear it when you turn left and right. Well, we hear that squeaking part. That might be on this side. I just use a little bit of more PB Blaster around all the areas, such as upper control arm bushing, ball joints. Those are the lower control arm bushings and ball joints. Anything that rotates and make noises, those things right there. Sprayed it all down, and now we're good to go. Nice and quiet. Yep, I did everything. So we should be good to go. And just like that, I did the same thing to this side. No more squeaking noise, no nothing. Perfectly quiet now. Perfect. All right, guys, we did it. We fixed the C63 for maybe 20 or 30 bucks rather than changing the whole control arm. I mean, to be quite honest with you guys, the right way to fix this is to change out the control arm, because that lets you know that, well, it's still working the ball joint, but you know, the grease started drying up. Most of the time you would have to change parts, but it seems like it's very common for this W205 C63 or C300, C43, whatever, C450, or 220D, whatever you guys call it. It seems like this is a definite common problem for this platform, and I don't know if this video will help people, but at least I know that I got rid of this nuisance, because it was super annoying. And I did it on both sides too, just to make sure that the other one doesn't cause us any more problems. And while I was down there, I actually sprayed other bushings and ball joints. I made sure there was no squeaking, and now the front end is quiet. So outside that, guys, you know, you guys don't have a Mercedes, so y'all probably don't care. But yeah, it's an annoying thing. It was super annoying, but now the noise is gone. Outside of guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you for always banging with your boy Boost. Hopefully, I earned your like. And if you are new to this channel, hopefully, I earned your subscription. Outside of that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Guys, you have a good day. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some boostinmotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.